For the past 40 minutes I've been stuck here, and it is completely flooded. Completely flooded, guys. Just look at that. It started pouring down hard. I went for a walk. It was sunny out, and then all of a sudden torrential downpour, and you can see as far out there, zoom in, it's pretty flooded too. Everything's pretty, can't tell you how flooded it is. Just that it's flooded, guys. This sucked. I'm glad this rain's over. Now I can walk and make some content, grab a bite to eat.